Presenting OnePlus 7T with 48 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera. This smartphone comes in frosted silver and glacier blue color variants. You can also choose from two memory variants of 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. Both the SIM slots support nano SIMs with 4G connections on dual standby. The 6.55-inch 90Hz fluid AMOLED display with 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and 402 ppi density let you have an immersive experience. The 48 megapixel, 12 megapixel and 16 megapixel triple rear camera is equipped with telephoto lens and ultrawide angle lens for your convenience. The 16 megapixel front camera is capable of shooting 4K video at 30 or 60 fps. OnePlus 7T is powered by Oxygen operating system which is based on Android version 10 with 2.96 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus AI engine, 7nm octa-core processor and Adreno 640. The 3800 mAh lithium-ion battery provides you with longer talk time. The box includes handset, Warp Charge 30 power adapter, Warp Type-C cable which supports USB 2.0, Quick Start Guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card, logo sticker, case, pre-applied screen protector and SIM tray ejector. The OnePlus 7T smartphone comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty on the device and 6 months manufacturer warranty on the in-box accessories including the batteries.